Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from hzscribe, and I am here today with the third installation of the color coding scriptures. And again, this is for novice as well as experienced people. This is just a way to orient yourself around the Bible and cataloging it in your mind into which category the books and the scriptures belong to. And this is a good quick visual reference to do so. So today we're going to be doing, this is the third in the session. There should be 10 videos. So this is the third installment, and this is the books of wisdom. And there's 5 books: Job, Psalms, Proverbs, Ecclesiastes, and Songs of Solomon. So we're going to go through all of them. I'm going to do the first book, and then I will do fast forward speed to show you the other ones, and then come back and wrap it up and tell you what I highlighted. You can always email me and get the list as well. So if I talk fast, don't worry about it. I'm going to keep the highlighting in there because I know a lot of people do ASMR and they like those kind of things to see people highlighting, so I'm going to keep that in there. So with the first one, and check out the other 2 videos if you haven't gotten those first, so you know exactly what we're doing. So for the book of Job, we're going to write down the keyword, which is sovereignty. Now the key verses in Job are 13:15. So we're going to find 13:15. And I just got some sticky notes in here from something else I was doing. Alright, so chapter 13. And I'm using blue for the wisdom books. I just think blue because it makes me think of the sky. But again, whatever color you want, whatever medium, like I went over in the first video. So we're going to do 13:15. And I use this, that's just my highlighter in case I need to color code another verse. I know this purple beside it means that's a special one. That's key to understanding the book. Alright, so the next one I'm going to go to is to chapter 37. And the verse here is 23 and 24. So 37, 23, 24. So the last 2 verses. And then I'm just going to circle them to let me know again, and I highlighted them in purple. Those are the key ones. And then my key chapter for Job is chapter 42. So, oops. Alright, so we get to chapter 42. I am going to use my blue marker highlighter to color coordinate the whole entire chapter. I'm doing it very quick and messy. I'm usually much more neater at being in highlighting, but I don't know why being on camera. I guess because I'm rushing. But again, these are the key chapters to help you understand that particular book, that author, that message, the audience, the time frame. So we just got finished doing the first session, which was the book of the law. First 5 books of the Bible. So we did those, the law books. Then we just did the 12 history books. And now we're doing the 5 books of wisdom. Alright. Got these pages, and I'm going to highlight this 42 to remind me that's the key chapter, even though it's obvious with all this coloring. Should be obvious. Alright, so that's it for that one. So I am going to put it on fast forward. I'm going to do the rest of them, and then I'll come back and I'll tell you what the key words were and the key chapters and verse. Okay, so I am back. So we are all done doing these, and I'm just going to go over real quickly with you. And again, these are the wisdom books, the 5 books: Job, Psalms, Proverbs, Ecclesiastes, and Songs of Solomon. Job, the word is sovereignty. Psalms, the word is worship. Proverbs, the word is wisdom. Ecclesiastes, the word is vanity. Songs of Solomon is love and marriage. And then when you look at the key verses, for Job is 13:15, 37:23 to 24, with 42 being the main chapter. Psalms is 19:14, 145:21, and the key chapter is 100. Proverbs is 1 verses 5 through 7 and 3 verses 5 through 6 in chapter 31. A proverbial woman that everybody wants to be. And then Ecclesiastes is 2:24, 12, 13, and 14, and chapter 12. And then Song of Solomon is verses 7, 10, and 8, 7, and there's no particular chapter for the Song of Solomon. So, again, if you need the list, just email me. Thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. I will be back with the major prophets and with a different color. I'm going to use green for that one. So we will go over the next 5 books in green, but you can choose any color you want. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to let Lord use you as a scribe.